Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you whether your website or email address or password has been compromised or not. This is a particular website in which we can put our email, even domain, or even password to see if it has been compromised or not. Let me take you through this process. Let me search an email. For example, we will search yeah, this email. You need to click on this. Here you can see that this has been found in 126 data breaches and found 26 pastes. Let me show you go through the breaches. Breach is something, it is basically an incident. You can also read the definition here, in which some hackers stole the information from particular website and then exposed that information to the public. So here you can see that this email has been compromised in 126 breaches. Okay, so what we are gonna do, we are going to see the passwords. Click on the passwords, and here we can see we are gonna put the very common password, which is QWERTY, QWERTY. We're gonna see if this has been compromised or not. Here you can see that this password has been used by more than 10 million times. So this is basically you can come here at this website and check if your email has been compromised or not, and if your password has been compromised or not. It will help you to enhance your digital security, and it will help you to protect your system in the future. See you in the next video.